Hello, everyone. So, welcome to this new section. After we have understood that how the MCP servers can be developed using Cursor IDE, we have run through two of the very basic examples of creating the Hello World MCP and how we have created the MCP server for getting the weather through the external APIs. So, if you want to try these practical examples on your development machine, there are some prerequisites that we will need to focus on. So Python and PIP are the prerequisites for uh, developing the MCP server. You would be aware that MCP servers can be built using Python. So a recent version is essential for the library compatibility. You can download this Python from the defined URL over there, and make sure that you install Python 3.10 or higher. After installing Python, you can open your terminal or command prompt and run the below two commands, which are python dash dash version. This will confirm that Python is installed on a machine. Pip comes in the installation with Python. So to verify that pip is there in your machine, you can run the command pip dash dash version to ensure the Python package manager pip is available. And this is how you can verify Python and PIP, where you can run this below two commands. The specific versions of Python and PIP would be shown to you after you have successfully installed the Python and PIP on your machine. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next course where I will show you what we have learned so far, how to set up the development environment with Cursor IDE, and what are the features that Cursor IDE offers to us.